Hello, my little stars. I'm so excited to show you my magical morning routine. Are you ready for a super fun adventure? Let's start our day with a big smile and lots of energy. Wakey, wakey, it's time to get up and greet the sun. Can you stretch your arms up high? Now let's wiggle our toes and fingers. Great job! Oh, do you hear that? It's the sound of a brand new day calling us. Let's jump out of bed and get ready for our magical adventure. But wait, before we do anything else, we have a very important task to do. Can you guess what it is? That's right. We need to brush our teeth and make them sparkle like stars in the night sky. Now that we're up and ready for our magical day, let's head to the bathroom. Can you see the shiny sink and the colorful toothbrushes? Wow, look at all those pretty colors. Which one is your favorite? I love the blue one. It reminds me of the ocean. Now, let's grab our toothbrush and get ready for some toothbrushing fun. But wait, we're missing something very important. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we need toothpaste. Let's squeeze a small amount onto our toothbrush. Remember, we only need a little bit, about the size of a pea. Now, before we start brushing, let's make sure we have everything we need. We have our toothbrush with toothpaste, a cup of water for rinsing, and our big, beautiful smiles. Are you ready to make those teeth sparkle? Let's do it together. It's time for the magical part, brushing our teeth. Let's start with our top teeth. Can you open your mouth wide like a happy hippo? Great! Now let's place our toothbrush at an angle against our teeth and gums. We're going to brush in small circles, like we're drawing tiny rainbows on our teeth. Let's count together as we brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. Now let's do the same for our bottom teeth. Remember to brush the front, back, and chewing surfaces of all your teeth. Now, let's brush our tongue to make sure our whole mouth is fresh and clean. Stick out your tongue and give it a gentle brush. Great job! Now it's time to rinse. Take a sip of water, swish it around in your mouth like a washing machine, and spit it out. Look at that sparkling smile. You did it! You've learned the magic of brushing your teeth. Wow, what a magical morning we've had! You've done such an amazing job learning how to brush your teeth. I'm so proud of you. Remember, brushing your teeth is a super important part of your day. It keeps your teeth strong and healthy, and your breath fresh and sweet. Every time you brush your teeth, think of all the fun we had today. And guess what? The more you practice, the better you'll get. Soon you'll be a toothbrushing superhero. Thank you for joining me on this magical adventure. Keep smiling, keep brushing, and keep being the wonderful sparkly stars that you are. Bye-bye for now, my little ones.